A very important question word today, because master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have NİYE. NİYE. NİYE is important because it means why. How come? Now, let's take a look at some simple phrases and then not so simple sentences. Phrases first. NİYE, NİYE belə. Simple, right? Now, important part. Niyə məhz yer kürəsi həyat üçün bu qədər unikal şəraitə malikdir? Important sentence. Let's see the translation. Why does Earth specifically have such unique conditions for life? Niyə, why, məhz, specifically, like exactly or just, only. Yer kürəsi, yer, Earth, kürə is sphere. Earth, we call it yer kürəsi. Now, həyat üçün, for life, bu qədər, such, unikal, unique, şərait, conditions, malikdir, has, have, owns. Now, niyə məhz, it might be hard to say it, məhz, or you can say məhz. Niyə məhz yer kürəsi həyat üçün bu qədər unikal şəraitə malikdir? See şərait, you say şəraitə. You add y between a and e sound to make it smooth, the pronunciation. Why does Earth specifically have such unique conditions for life? Another sentence. Biz niyə bağışlamağı bu qədər çətin bir yük kimi qəbul edirik? Another interesting sentence. Do you want to know what does that mean? Yep. How come we perceive forgiveness as such a difficult burden? Let's break it apart. Biz, us basically, we, niyə, why, how come, bağışlamağı, to forgive or forgiveness. Bu qədər, such, çətin bir yük kimi, as such a difficult burden, çətin, difficult, hard, bir yük, a burden, kimi, as. Qəbul edirik, perceive, accept, think of it. The best way to translate, how come we perceive? Because it's something perceived feeling, right? It's not true. Perceive forgiveness as such a difficult burden. Biz niyə bağışlamağı bu qədər çətin bir yük kimi qəbul edirik? That was my way of using the word niyə. Well, not really. Here's my way. I ask niyə every Monday before coffee. Thanks so much for watching. If you are interested in learning more, like I said, I have Master Azerbaijani app that can teach you, and masterazerbaijani.com, where I post blogs if you are interested in reading how to learn. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.